Fórum Pulire America. First edition held outside Europe, August 9th and 10th in Curitiba at the Positivo University. Cleaning as an absolute value. Promoted by AFIDAMP, ISA, FACOP. 2 days, 7 panels, networking, a mega social event. Ethics conducting all debates. Technology, sustainability, dignity, qualification, and reputation. A business forum, everyone sharing together experiences, better practices, innovations, new scenarios, and expectations for the future. Fórum Pulire America, August 9th and 10th at the Positivo University, Curitiba, Brazil.